Now that we have our turrets in, we can put in our transition. We're going to put our transition by bolting right through these two holes here into these inserts on the transition. So we can start with the front one that's closest to us. Put your bolt through your hole and line it up with your insert and start to hand tighten. Once you get the first one hand tight, you can open up your turret lid and reach through the other side. Now that these are hand tight, we can put in our final turret and then bolt the whole thing together. Again, we rest the back of the turret right on the stanchion and then reach around to the front, get the bracket, slide it back a little bit. We line our bracket up with the channel and then minding our fingers, pull it towards ourselves and it drops right into place. We then slide it up against the transition and we bolt through the same way we did before. Now that all of our turrets and countertop extensions are bolted together, we can attach our countertop extension to the front extrusion. And we do that simply by tightening our T-bolts and ensuring that the demarc line is perpendicular to the extrusion. And we hand tighten all of them, and then we can just come down with our 13mm ratchet and tighten them all the way. Now that our countertop extensions are on, we can drop on our cover panels. All of our countertop extensions come with removable cover panels, which make wiring even easier, and they simply just drop into place. Clean, finished look. To install the MasteRail countertop arm, simply drop in your T-bolt into your bottom slot and turn it to the right so that the line is perpendicular to the extrusion. Then you're going to take your arm with your upper hook, drop it into your top channel, and you're going to line your T-bolt up with that hole. Simply take your nut and you can hand tighten it. Once all of your arms are down and hand tightened, you can take your 13mm ratchet and go along and tighten them up the rest of the way. And you're going to want to crank these down pretty good because they are going to be supporting your countertop. Now the last part of our console installation is going to be the countertop. What we're going to do is we're going to drop the countertop onto the console and then we're going to attach it using these L brackets and the MasteRail arms that we just installed. To install them, we're going to use panhead screws to screw through these L brackets into the countertop. So the screws are going to work from underneath and they're going to come right through the L bracket into the countertop.